Today we are going to discuss the cardinals points. Cardinals points are the points present on the coaxial length systems on the principal axis from which different measurement can be taken. Here we have discussed the 6 different cardinals points. 2 focal points F1 F2, 2 principal points P1 P2, 2 nodal points N1 N2. So there are 6 points are present which is called cardinal point, and according to the Gauss in 1841 such points are found, that's why it is called Gauss points. Let's discuss the principal points by help of the ray diagram. This is the ray diagram for second principal point P2. This is the ray diagram of first principal point P1. In the second principal point, here the ray coming from infinite OA, this is the ray OA. After refraction it follow the path O, A, B, F2. F2 is the focus point of the ray coming from O. It is the path. If I will extend OA like this and backward extend BF like this, it meets a plane, imaginary plane is called second principal plane, and this second principal plane intersect the principal axis at point P2 is called second principal point P2. So this plane, principal plane present in the image space, and this is the second principal point P2, second principal point P2. Similarly, the ray that is coming from point object F2, F1, after refractions from a plane, it diverges to the infinite. That plane is present in the object space, and this imaginary plane is called first principal plane, and the point that is intersect the first principal plane on the principal axis is called first principal point. So the ray coming from the object after refractions from a imaginary plane is called first principal plane. It appears to diverge to infinite. Such two planes are found in the coaxial length system. First principal plane P1 or first principal point P1, second principal plane H2 or second principal point P2. Let's discuss the characteristics of principal points. These two planes, first principal plane and second principal plane, are of unit magnifications. Between H1 and H2, all the rays are parallel to the axis. Their position do not change. These planes are conjugate to each other, and these are called unit plane because it has unit magnifications. And from H1 and H2, several measurements can be taken. So this is all about your principal points P1 and P2. Thank you.